Welcome back to my channel once again. Today we'll be talking about how to install Windows from to USB drive. How to install Windows to USB drive. So let's dive into it. That is coming up right now. As you can see, the software we're going to use today is for WintoUSB. The importance of this software is that you may have a window that is compatible with a particular device which you have interest in, but you cannot send your system down to the source to get that operating system on your system because of the risk of transportation and handling. So in this case now, you can just send only a hard drive with the window can be installed and send that to you. Then you insert that to your system and you got every required details you need in it 100%. So while the software is installed, you can see the step by step how easy the software is. This one is a non-commercial use only, so you cannot install Windows 10 upward on it, but you can install Windows 7 now for the 8 or so. After installation, you can still do your normal upgrade on it and it will work 100% very well without no disturb. The importance of this software is that you don't have what is it called? You don't have the risk of maybe getting your system handled on the way. It's easier and it's faster compared to when you send your system for installation and the next thing different story come up that the system has having an issue while transporting it back to you. That's where this software has important. Only what's in it is just an hard drive and the system will be installed to you. The drivers and everything will be updated just as if you install the software directly from your end. Quite alright, it takes some little time for this software to be installed while we wait for this software to be installed, because I decided not to cut this video so that you see if there's any error so you know how to set it up, how to fix any error that arises. So I'll let this video to run down to the end. It's around 10 to 12-minute video or so, but you will learn every bit of the software while it works. The beauty of this software also, maybe you are a bit in haze, you want to go somewhere while the software is being installed, you can just click on this little box here, that says shut down your computer when this operation is completed. When you click on that button, once the installation is completed, the system will shut down automatically. So without you even being there to shut down the system or whatever, so whenever you're back, it's easy for you to just pick it up and install it to a newer system or transport it back to where it's going to be used. And sometimes, like in this video, what I mostly use it on is a old MacBook. Those MacBook that you wanted to install Windows on and it's giving you a tough time. I use this software to install Windows on it and I got a very good result. So whenever you have all these old MacBook like 2009 version, 2000 version, 213 version, 213 version, all those older version of a MacBook, you can use this software to install Windows and the sound, the graphic, everything will be driven on it, and you will enjoy every bit of the installation on the system without having any issue while the installation is being carried out. And also this is a commercial use or the non-commercial use, or this is a free version. You don't need to pay to anybody. So while you install the lower version of Windows, you can upgrade how to upgrade Windows to a different version. I think I will have to do a video where you will see how to install from the lower version, how to upgrade from the lower version to a higher version of Windows. You will see it even step by step. It's very easy, even to a layman can upgrade this window to a higher version. Another thing you have to watch out to again while you are using this software, you have to make sure that the system you are installing on, the hard drive you are installing on, you don't have any backup file on it because it's going to wipe up all the partition on the hard drive. So you have to take note of that. The system, the hard drive you wanted to install the new window on must be blank or you will be willing to lose all file on it. So if you have any important file on the hard drive, you have to back it up before starting this procedure. Otherwise, it's going to wipe up everything on the system. And if the hard drive is being partitioned, like maybe you have two partitions on the hard drive, the software will not see the hard drive. So in that case, you have to go to your disk management to delete the partition and make the hard drive become one so that the software can be able to see the drive which is going to want to be installed on. And also, if the hard drive, the size is not like maybe let's say you're having a smaller what do you call drive, like, and it's being filled up with different kind of backup files. It's advisable for you to just get a newer hard drive, or if you know you can just do those files on it. It's good. You can also wipe everything and install the new Windows setup on it. And this software, the important is that one, the physical system won't be present for you to install. You can be able to choose any version of operating system you want, either 32-bit or 64-bit operating system to install fine on it without showing a blue screen. I've tried it on MacBook, I've tried it on Windows PC, Dell, and different kind of device, and they don't have issue on it. So now you see that whatever I'm doing on it, you see that the system has a very good issue and no issue that will arise on it. Whatever the system you are using, you see that it's 100%. The system will work very fine without no issues. So I recommend those of you that are using old version of MacBook and wanted to install Windows on it. I recommend you use a software WintoUSB. And if you want to install the higher version of Windows like the 10 or the 11, also you can subscribe to the commercial you can subscribe to the software where you can use different type of operating system on it. Or for the free version, you can use Windows 7 and Windows 8 on it. That's the limitation of the free version. So, and I also recommend again when you have a system that whenever you are installing an operating system through your media, you are getting a blue screen. Also, this software is also the best tools for you to use. It's good that you use these tools after installing and place it on that system. You will be able to pass that error of that blue screen because the window will be installed comfortably without any disturb. And also, another important features of this software, whenever you're sending a PC for installation, you see the weight of the PC, the mix, and you see that the carrier, the logistic cost is very high compared to when you are sending ordinary hard drive. Logistic cost will be less for the carrier, and just an envelope size, the hard drive and so on, and paper and everything is good. No risks, no scare of getting your screen broken or any other thing happen to the system. And if you are using this again for this video, is educational purpose only. I'm doing this video so that any of you that have this issue out there, you'll be able to follow the link on my video, download these free tools to use and support yourself and solve your problem instead of going to the vendor and pay a huge amount of money. to get that blue screen fixed up or to install Windows on your old Mac computer. It's easy, and I must say that I've been using this free tool for over 3 years, and it's still working for me. I'm still getting the results on these softwares. And also, in my next video, I'll be talking more about how to be able to program a system without a programmer. That is, you can be able to program a system without a programmer. Just by the use of flash drive alone, you can be able to program a system. That is what we're talking about in our next video. So stay tuned and watch out for those video. While this installation round up, guess every other information you needed will be on the description. You can be able to access it there. Drop your comment. I respond to your comment ASAP without no delay. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That is very important. It encourages me to sit down and create more content because you're showing me that you have interest in my content. So whenever you see a notification, you can be able to just come and watch the video, recommend it to a friend, share it to a friend so that they can be able to come to the channel. We are coming together to learn and see how we can be able to achieve a set goal together. So this is the most important part of this channel. I'm here to show you how to fix the PC, how to solve a different problem that they come out of your system, how to use schematic diagram, how to use board view, how to trace both anything both from the DC, the adapter power, down to the RAM power voltage, down to the VGA, how to replace screen, how to know your RAM is there. Those are things that comes around your issue with your computer. That is what we are dealing with here on this channel. As you can see, once again, installation is successful. Do not forget to subscribe and like our video and turn on the notification bell for more video. We got you. Thank you for supporting Vanish Technology. God bless you.